Shut up and sit down.
Hello again, gang. Yeah, he's not building a Revell kit. Right. Yeah, vintage time. I've only got myself a Night Rider kit. MPC 1/25 scale. Yeah. And yeah, I think I'm going to have fun with this, to be quite honest with you, because already my little brain is ticking over. And yeah, MPC 806M-12 is the kit number. Have a look at it on scale, mates. It is on there. If you can't find it, add me as a mate on the scale, mates, and go into my stash and you'll see this in there, and then you can add it to your stash if you've got it. Alright, nice looking 80s artwork there, and that's the bit I'm interested in. Yeah, there you go. Nice, simple plastic bits with some instructions and some decals and all of that go with the kit. But we're basically going to be doing a bit of electricity on this. See, I've got the dashboard out, so we're going to do some work on that, and I want to try and light it. Okay, so it's tiny, but Festa's finger, it's tiny. But I'd like to try and light it. So I've got engines and bonnet and all of that lot, and we all know and love the Night Rider program because of the feature on the car, which was a Larson scanner, and it used to sit just underneath where the bonnet land panel is. Excuse me. Just there between the lights there's a little notch, and it's going to sit in there. And I'm going to make that because I don't know about you, but why would I build kit and not have the lights work, the rear lights, the headlights, and of course, yeah, Festa's sound effects. It's the Larson scanner there. Yeah. See, and I want it to go. And yeah, I think I'm going to make the car talk and all. I need to watch a couple of episodes of the show just to rejig the old brain a bit. But I'm sure the car used to talk. I'm sure it used to have this really annoying 80s computer voice. Like, hello there, Michael. Bit like me when I got a blocked up schnoz. But yeah, we got choice between clear and tinted windows and all. Unusual, that. Normally you have to smoke them yourself, so that saved me a job. See? Good old MPC. Not so good with their chrome, so I'll teach you how to strip that, because that, yeah, that ain't staying on there. But not a bad set of tyres, but I've got a shoehorn about 9 or 12 LEDs. I don't know yet. I might break it down and do it. But I want them to chase each other, and it's basically a Larson scanner. It's, yeah. Again, you can do it with a 4017 decade timer or a 555. You can do it with a micro control. You can do it however you like. There's loads of videos on how to do it. So I shall do it my way. If you want to do it another way, feel free to do so. Yeah, so it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward build. Little bit of engine detail that comes with the kit, but my focus on this is to try to recreate the talking, the lighting, and just make what was, I don't know, 10, 11 quid kit just that little bit more interesting, you know, because yeah, you can build it out of the box, but wouldn't you want to just have a nice little nano LED there just going morning, and your Larson scanner, have some of that. Of course you would. Also I had the dashboard working and that, but yeah, you know, I reckon I'll do that with a couple of the old fibre optics and shizzle. I would put a figure in it, but I don't think I can find one with a really naff 1980s perm. Mind you though, saying that, in the 1980s I was rocking a rather bad mullet, so I can't really speak. I'm sure there's people out there that have got photographic evidence of that mullet, and I will pay you handsomely not to show them pictures to anyone I know and love. So that, my friends, is a quick go through of the MPC 125th scale Night Rider 2000, I think the kit was called, or not, yeah, Night Industries 2000 Night Rider, but all the kit number and everything, it's all on me scale mates. So pop on there, add me as a mate, email me if you want to email me at festa67workshop@gmail.com. You can support me on Patreon, details of that will come up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next inbox review or build series. Jump on board and follow Festa for these fun-filled shenanigans, which normally involves me gluing loads of plastic kit parts or decals to my feet, my hands, or my face. But anyway, I digress. I'll see you all a little bit later. Thank you.